You know what can make or break an automation program? It's picking the right processes to automate at the right time. Success comes from having a systematic way to uncover, evaluate, and prioritize automation initiatives that deliver real business value. Why is this so important? Well, we've seen plenty of programs stumble because they jumped at the first idea that came along without really thinking it through. Or worse, they missed out on a game changing opportunity because they didn't have a good way to spot it. The truth is, your program's success depends on having a steady stream of valuable projects to work on. If you're just starting out, don't worry. We'll help you set up simple ways to gather ideas and figure out which ones are worth pursuing. You'll learn how to spot those quick wins that get people excited about automation while avoiding projects that are too complicated for your team to handle right now. As your program grows, we'll show you how to level up your game. You'll develop smarter ways to evaluate opportunities and manage your pipeline. It's not just about cost savings anymore. You'll learn how to spot projects that can really move the needle for your business while managing resources effectively. And when you're ready to think big, that's when it gets really exciting. We'll explore how AI can help you find automation opportunities across your entire organization. You'll be able to find and tackle more complex projects and create real competitive advantages for your business. The end goal? A pipeline of automation opportunities that keep growing and evolving with your program. Whether you're looking at your first automation project or ready to transform your entire enterprise with AI agents, we'll help you build a pipeline that delivers real value on investment. Ready to start finding the right opportunities for your program? Let's dive in and see how you can make this happen at your organization, whatever stage you're at.